Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Jarrett's. Today I am in this video for Harsha Chopra and Jennifer Winget. Both are very beautiful and very smart personalities. So many people have asked from me to convert it in English. I'm not converting it in English actually. I am doing the current status of relationship of both the couples, so of both the people. So I will do the current status I want to see, and the whole this session is only in English only. And I would like to say that in the previous video, whatever I have told, that in 2021 there is a separation between the two people, and before that there are some tensions, there are some pressure in their relationship. And before that, when they have started their journey of this love, at that time both the people are very close to each other. Both Jennifer and Harsha are very close to each other. When they were in the starting, they have met with each other, but slowly there are some pressures, there are some damages are in the cards. It is the message from the angels that some damages are showing in the relationship, and slowly the relationship will got finished, and there is separation in the 2021. And when Jennifer will, it is from the Jennifer side also, that when she will finish this relationship, then she will not be so much in, you can say, she will not create very much issue. I can say she will not do the very much propaganda that she has left the Harsha because of this reason and all that, and creating issues and doing the propaganda. Like this will not happen. She will very peacefully and calmly, she will close the relationship, and she will get separated. And before that, I have thought that I have done the prediction that she is not in the mood of having marriage just now for at least 1 year. If I will from June, if I will say, she is not in the mood of marrying with anyone just now. She is focusing just on the career. Whatever predictions, only on Jennifer what I have done. And for this whole year also, there is card of health also, that something will be frustrating too much to Jennifer due to health problem, or due to some reason. She will face some health problems also, and but she will recover. This is also a positive card is coming, that she will get recover from that. So just now I am seeing the current status only between the two people. Many people have asked from me that what will happen. So I will starting this session, and I will do the current status I want to know between the Jennifer and Harsha Chopra. Divine energies and positive energies, please मुझे बताएं whether the Jennifer and Harsha are in relationship in this year. In this year, are they in relationship? Jennifer is in relationship Harsha Chopra, because before that it is showing the separation in 2021. So I want to know the current status and what will happen in the future also. The first card which came out, which is the message from the angels. Before that also I thought, I think this card came out, and this card shows that whatever the issues and fight between the two people is going on, that is finished, and it is almost finished, and they both are separated. That means this is the death card. That means the relationship is almost finished. There is no 1% there is no 1% relationship. So there is no feeling among the both people. There is this relationship is completely finished. It's the death card. It is the most negative card, and it is showing that these two people, some third person has came before, and that person has created the pressure or something like that, which damaged the relationship between Harshad and Jennifer. And this year it is shown that from the angels that this relationship is finished, it is finished, and whatever fight is between the two people is almost finished very calmly, not creating any issues, as I have said. And this is also showing that whenever Jennifer has said Harshad to yes, it will, if the relationship is finished or whatever is going on between the two people, it is showing that, as I have said, that they have not created any issue or any very much too much fighting. That it will because they both people know that it will damage the image of both the people. So this card shows the fighting has been finished very peacefully. You can see here the rose also, that person will say okay, doesn't matter, I will finish the relationship, you go to your own do your own work and I will do my own work, something like this. So this thing happened and the relationship is finished. And as I asked, that for Jennifer it is God blessings. It is, this card is showing some God blessings. Whatever God has whatever God has given the responsibility for every person, that Jennifer is very much following it. She is doing her own work in industry, and this card is very positive. That means after separation, she will get the blessings from something like this year. She will get the God blessings also, and she is very. I think she must be very much spiritual, and this is the positive card. And last card is saying that Jennifer, in the future, I have asked that it is, last card is showing that in the future she will face both career, job also, and her personal life also. She will able to manage both the things, the career also and the whatever the personal life also. So maybe she will be planning to go out also, out of station also, or she will manage all the whatever she is doing, acting, whatever. So these cards are showing that they will get separate, and as I have said, so this card also shows that relationship is finished in 2021. The current is what I have said, that it is the current status of both the people. I think the message before in video whatever I've explained you in the earlier, that what I have told, and in short I've summarized it actually, and this I have told you the current status of the relationship. I think message is very clear for all of you. Thank you so much for watching my video.